Hey guys, welcome back to the new video of Student Gadget Partner. In this video we're gonna talk about how we can create student ID. So in my last videos I got so many comments that we don't have any student ID, how we can buy it, I don't have any ID, create ID, how to create ID. So in this video I will tell you that how to make student ID with your ID card. So I had created my ID with my student ID card. Now in this video I will show you a demo. So you have to come to the Unidays website page, and after coming here click on these three dots. So there are two options: join now and login. If you are if you have ID, student ID, so go to the login. If you don't have, so go to join now. So after joining now, you have to add here your any personal ID, right, from your personal ID which one you created. So like as ABCD 9580 is some personal random ID of mine, and adding here like password of it and confirming the password and accept the policy, and then proceed further. So there will be a student verification. You have to give your name, Akash, like this thing, and all, male or female. So male, date of birth, and search. So add here your date of birth. Then you have to add here your institution, so your college, your university. Search for that here and select it. Like I'm writing here Amity University. So there are options which are like in Amity University, Noida. So proceed further. Now verify your account. So you will be able to, if you don't have student email ID, so for verification there is always verification for your student ID creation. So they will ask you student ID of your college, which one you don't have. So you have to come here, don't have a student email, and try alternative methods. So there will be two methods. So upload ID card or upload your documents of the institutions. So make sure the information is clear to display your name, availing date, and the name of your school, college, university, right? So upload ID card is recommended because it's easy than documents. So enrollment letter, admission letter, or status confirmation of your college institution. So that comes under the upload documents. Now click to the ID card, right? Upload ID card and continue. There will be option for submit your ID card photo. So you have to submit separately your front ID card photo and back ID card photo. By clicking on this positive sign, you will be able to open your gallery, and from your gallery select your ID card, and here is example like front ID card and back ID card of your college. So upload both. After uploading, in 48 hours you will be able to verify on Unidays account, right? So you will be able, and then you can use to avail the offers from Samsung, Apples, and many more by using your student ID by this process. So subscribe for more.